A river is a system of water that flows through a channel in the surface of the ground. The passage where the river flows is called the river bed, and the earth on each side is called a river bank. A river begins on high ground or in hill or mountain and flows down from the high ground to the lower ground because of gravity. Good morning, students. I welcome you to today's GK virtual class. Today, we are going to do page number 56 of your book, which is related to the world famous rivers. It comes under the topic of world around. Before starting the topic, let's see the learning outcomes. Students, after the completion of this topic, you will be able to identify the name of famous rivers based on the question given. You will be able to know many things about the famous rivers of the world. You will be able to choose and encircle the correct name of the river after reading the information given in the page. Kids, today we are going to talk about rivers. You all know that every country has one or more ancient river which may be regarded as an important landmark of that country. So we are going to talk about them. The first one is Wang Ho or Yellow River. Yellow River is regarded as the mother river of China, the second longest river of China, the main river of North China. It is the sixth longest river system in the world at an estimated length of 5,464 km. It flows through 9 provinces and empties into Bohai Sea. Its basin was the first birthplace of ancient Chinese civilization, and it was the most prosperous region in early Chinese history. The second one is Godavari. Godavari, the Dakshin Vahini Ganga, is at an elevation of 1067 meter in Brahmagiri Hills of Western Ghats in Nasik district of Maharashtra and continues its journey over 1,465 kilometers in the southeast to meet the Bay of Bengal at Nasagarapuram in West Godavari district of Andhra Pradesh. Godavari is the India's second largest river after Ganga. Third one is the Potomac River. The Potomac River is a river in the eastern United States. It is found in mid-Atlantic region of the United States. It is 665 km long. It forms part of the borders between Maryland, West Virginia, Washington DC, and Virginia. The river Thames. The Thames is the larger river in England. It goes through London, the capital city. The Thames is 346 km long. It flows eastward through London to the North Sea. About 90 kilometers from the sea above London, the river begins to show the tide caused by North Sea. Fifth one is the Tigris. The Tigris is a river in the Middle East. It is one of the two rivers that define Mesopotamia. The source of the river is in the Taurus mountain in Turkey. From there, it flows through Turkey, Syria, and Iraq. It had an important role in the development of civilization. The river is 1900 kilometer long. Sixth one is the river which is originated and as well as ends in the territory of India is Betwa. Betwa river rises in the northern India in Vindhya range, Madhya Pradesh. It flows generally northeast through Madhya Pradesh and Uttar Pradesh states and empties into Yamuna River just east of Hamirpur after a 370-mile course. The seventh one, which is known as Granta, sometimes it is Danube. The Danube is the second longest river in Europe. It is the longest river of European Union. The river is 2860 kilometer long. The Danube flows through or makes part of 10 countries. The river ends in the Black Sea through the Danube Delta. It is located in Central and Eastern Europe. Eighth one is the river flows into Caspian Sea is Volga. The Volga is the longest river in Europe, flowing through central Russia to southern Russia and into the Caspian Sea. It has a length of 3,531 kilometers. It is also Europe's largest river in terms of discharge and drainage basin. It is widely regarded as the national river of Russia. Ninth one is the Tweed. The Tweed is a river which rises in southern uplands of Scotland and flows generally eastwards, crossing into northeastern England and entering the North Sea. For part of its lower course, it forms the border between Scotland and England. It is 156 kilometer long. The Tweed also has rich salmon fisheries. The 10th one is the Blue White Nile. It meets in Khartoum, Sudan, a rain poor country which is having a population of 2 million. All these people rely on the Nile for irrigation. Well watered crops line the river banks. Kids, I told you by the end of this video, you will be able to identify the name of various famous rivers of the world. Now I have one task for you to do. You have to tell me which river has the largest river basin in the world. Thank you and have a wonderful day.